Hi guys, back at it. Today, you'll never guess where I'm at. I'm at Fisherman's Park, Burt Dam. Oh, gorgeous day. The water looks really low though. But I got a late start today. It's like about 12:30 in the afternoon. It was a long drive to get out here too. 45 minutes or so. But the kayak's over here. And we're gonna get in there and see what we can get. I might come up the creek here a little bit too. And get a picture of the dam. See how far I can get with the kayak. So, I will see you on the water. Thanks for tuning in, guys. See you in a bit. Alright guys, I'm on the water. There's only me and one other guy down here. I can't believe it. There's like nobody here. The water looks really good too. So we're gonna get at it, see what we can get. Let's see how far we can get up. You just gotta be careful in here. There's a bunch of bolt rocks and that in here. I don't know how far we'll be able to get up with how shallow it is though. See what we can get, guys. Yeah, it's going to be way too shallow up in here, I think, fishing. But when we find some deeper water, you never know then. A little deeper right here. Might be something hiding in here, right here. Oh, no. Oh, that way, guys. Come here. Yes, no, we're not that far. Okay. Too dangerous. I don't feel like flipping all my gear. We're to back it up. I don't want to flip all my gear, guys. But there's the dam over there. Maybe if I get on the other side, I can spot it. Get a spot at it. A little look at it. Just look at it. Yeah, you can see it. There it is. Whoa, that's what I'm worried about. No, we can't go up that far. Nope, we gotta go back. Oh man. There it is though, guys. There's the dam. I'd like to get up in there with my kayak. Ooh, there's a cormorant. Cormorant and a herring. That's a cool looking cormorant. Huh. There's the herring.
See the blue heron?
Yeah. See what we can get. Well, I had one bass on and off. Little one. Well, here's a story I got for you guys. The last time I was down in a lower creek here was with an old buddy of mine, Timmy. And we were kayak fishing in here, and it was late fall. And, you know, we were just fishing for whatever. And I was using one of those big, cheap spinners from Walmart. You're not going to believe what hit it. A huge lake trout hit my spinner. I had him on for a little while, and then he got off right near the kayak, and that's how I knew it was a huge lake trout on the kayak. I had a huge lake trout on, but he got off. I couldn't believe he hit that big old spinner. Big old lake trout. This part of the creek goes out to the Lake Ontario. It heads all the way out to the lake. Got a nice one on, guys. Oh, we got him. Oh, that's a nice bass. Better get the front camera for that one. It's really deep in here, so I put on the crankbait. Ooh, that's a nice little bass. Oh my God, he's a chunky little guy. Oh, that's a nice chunk. Man, he's got some teeth on him. That's a nice looking bass. Look at that. Man, what a chunker. Man, he's got some sharp teeth. Get the little crankbait. Whoa, God, he was a spunky little chunk. Man, soaked me. Oh, I mean, literally soaked. Holy crap. Finally, we got one, guys. Been fishing for a while. And then I realized how deep it is in here, so I was like, you know what, I gotta get down deeper. So I put the crankbait on, got down deeper, and guess what? Got one! Got one. Let's get another one. What? A sunny hit it. Are you kidding me, guys? Look at this. A sunny hit it. Oh, he's gonna get off. Got him. Get off there, you. Yeah, a little sunny. I can't believe he hit that. That's crazy. I don't know, it's been kind of quiet still, guys. Nothing going on. Kind of sunny. Where's the big guys at? Jeez. Oh, something just went at it again, something small. Man, I thought I'd catch at least 3 smallies by now, you know? Jeez. I think we're almost near the end as well. End of the creek here. There's a freaking bat flying around over here. It's not even getting dark yet. Look at him. Is that it? Yeah, that's him right there. Here he comes, see him? Look, he's right there. That's strange. Look at that bat. There's a bat. There he goes. What's that bat doing out so early? Huh, that's weird. Huh. And I saw a nice hawk too. Big hawk. Well, I haven't been catching much, but there's been a lot of nature and beauty out here, I'll tell you that. It's gorgeous. But the little bass I had on and off when I first got down, and then I had a small pike on and off, and then we landed that nice sized bass. Well, not, you know, pretty good sized bass anyways. Alright, I'm back, guys. I didn't know my camera died, battery, but there's some big ones jumping up in here, and I don't know what they are, but I put a, since the sun's starting to go down, I put a top water on. Maybe we can get one of these to hit. I don't know. I don't even know what they're jumping, if they're hitting on something or what. I don't know, but there's some big fish in here. I'd like to see it smash my freaking top lure, though, I'll tell you that much. I got one on the top water. Big bass, I think it is. He slammed my frog. He's got me wrapped up in a bunch of seaweed right now. Oh yeah, he's a good little... There we go. Nice. Oh yeah. He's a nice one, guys. I had a feeling if I'd be patient, we'd get one eventually. He's all wrapped up in the seaweed. I hope you don't break off. It's a nice bass. It's got me wrapped up in a bunch of... Oh, you little weasel. He's got me wrapped up in a bunch of seaweed. If I can grab a hold of him. Get him out of here. Oh yeah, that's a nice bass, guys. Hit the frog. He hit the frog. It's a nice one. That's a nice chunker right there. Man, I wish I wouldn't have turned off my camera, because we would have witnessed the top water shot. He smushed my frog. That's a nice fish. Oh, man. Look at that. That is a nice bass. Look at that, baby. He nailed the top water frog. Look at that. Look at that, guys. He's a chunker. Dude, he's got to weigh at least almost 3 pounds. Look at that. Whew, nice. See, they're jumping all over. Jumping all over back here. Look at that guy. Nice bass. Look what he did to my frog. Nailed it. Nailed it over by the seaweed. Couldn't believe it. That was a nice chunker there. Almost 3 pounds, I think. Right over there. Got me wrapped up in all that seaweed. There's another one. I got him. Oh no, I lost him. Darn it. Oh my God. Another one hit it, guys. Oh my God. I think he tore my frog up. He hit it. Look at it, tore my frog up. Oh man. Got him. Oh, you missed it. God darn it. Another little one over there. I can't believe that. Man, I'm running out of daylight. I want to stay here all night. Oh, man. There was mosquitoes swarming me over there. A ton of mosquitoes. Ugh, hate mosquitoes. They give me the creeps. They're still blowing up back there, but I gotta go. I'm running out of daylight. Man, that stinks. Man, it's been a long time since I had a blow up on top water. That was cool. God, oh, I lost him. Darn it, there was another blow up. Oh my God. Where's my line? Son of a gun. Another nice blow up, guys. Holy crap. Holy crap, guys. Holy crap. I missed it. There's a big old tree log down there. Let's see if we can get him again. He's over here. Got him. Another nice one. Another nice one, guys. Oh, he's getting me tangled up. Oh, it's a little guy. Oh, yeah. Good sized bass, though. No, not here. Get out of here. God darn it. Oh, man, I'm telling you. Got another nice one, guys. Look at that nice little guy. We got another one. Whoa. Look at that. Nice. Knew there has to be some more bass hiding out in here. Man. Run out of daylight. Run out of daylight. I don't want to stop. You know, this is fun. Top water blow-ups. Over here, try some more. Something jump right there? I think I did. Something big just jumped right there. Nice, perfect. Come on, get him. Get out of here, bugs. I can't stop, guys. I can't stop. I can only do a couple more casts. We got to get out of here. Well, little one tried getting it. Oh no, don't you dare. My line's been, on this rod's been trying to freaking twist the knot up on me all day. See, there it is. It's knotted up, ain't it? Son of a gun, it is. Look at that. Oh, darn bugs. I don't understand why you keep trying to do that to me. Stop it. Darn bugs. Alright, I ain't got no more time. I gotta get out of here. We gotta go, guys.